Hello friends! I am excited to be bringing a new mini-series to my channel. I'll be posting every Tuesday in October tea time craft video. In top of my regular video that I try to put out every week, I will have an extra video on the beginning of the week. And in this series, I'll be having a cup of tea and making something while I drink the tea. Like, the idea is to do some kind of autumn craft that it's small enough to complete while having a cup of tea. That's the plan. And this week we'll be starting with pumpkin earrings. Nothing to me says more autumn than pumpkin things. This time I'll be having this tea. I haven't tried it yet. My brother and his girlfriend got it for me from the Lapland trip this summer. It's a herbal tea with those berries that grow in the north of Finland. Here we are with a cup of tea. I'm gonna make the pumpkin earrings from this clay that dries itself. We'll be painting it with just acrylic paints. Got these little jewelry parts that I'll be attaching the earrings. Let's get started. it's wrap up time. Doesn't this mug just fit my style? That's why I picked this one up today. So, here they are. They are so cute. They came out really nice. Only problem was that when I put the sticks, I realized that I can't bend them before the clay is dry. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna just let them dry in peace. And then I'm gonna attach them to these earring hooks. And then we will have pumpkin earrings. And I still have a little bit tea left, so I think that was quite an achievement. I hope you enjoy watching me craft these earrings. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you on my next video. Alright, bye!